Is your Roomba C510 stuck with the dreaded C510 error light? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a quick fix to get your robotic cleaner back in action. First, let's tackle the most common culprit: tangled brushes. Carefully turn your Roomba upside down. You'll see the main brush housing. Gently pull out the main brush assembly. Look for any hair, debris, or string that might be wrapped around the brush or the ends. Remove any obstructions you find. It's also a good idea to give the brush ends a good cleaning. Use a small brush or a dry cloth to remove any grime or buildup. Make sure the brush spins freely before reinserting it. Once clean, snap the main brush assembly back into place until it clicks securely. Now, let's move on to the sensors. The C510 error can often be triggered by dirty or blocked sensors. Locate the sensors, usually found along the front bumper and on the sides of your Roomba. Gently wipe each sensor with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Make sure there's no dust or debris obstructing their view. With the brushes cleaned and sensors clear, it's time for a fresh start. Press and hold the clean button for about 5 to 10 seconds until all the lights turn off. This will perform a full restart of your Roomba. Now, press the clean button again to initiate a cleaning cycle. Your Roomba C510 should now be free of the C510 error and ready to tackle your floors with optimal performance. Happy cleaning!